everybody? It's Aaron K. It's coming back for another video today. Right now we're fueling up. We're on our way to Ace's Cafe in Orlando. There's a big truck meet there tonight. It's supposed to be huge, so fueling up, heading down there. And then we're going to stay at my mother-in-law's for the weekend. See her in the background. Oh shit, 5-3 getting it. Alright, I'll pick y'all up when we start pulling into the truck meet. Maybe get a little montage on the way down there. Catch y'all then. Oh, update guys. We're in Orlando, that's for damn sure. Cars as far as you can see, both directions. My big ass truck don't fit in, that's for damn sure. 14 wides and 3 lanes of backed up traffic is not a good thing. We're like 11 minutes away and it's bumper to bumper. It's been like this for like 10 minutes now. Sitting at a green light right now, I'm not moving. So that's cool. I'll see y'all when we get to the meet. Oh guys, we are here. Not too many vehicles here yet. The traffic was absolutely terrible. So I'll wait for some rides right here and we'll go walk around, check things out. There's no sense in getting out right now. There's like 3 vehicles here. So I'll see y'all in a little bit. We're here. Pretty good turnout so far. We've been waiting in the truck for about 30 minutes. And a lot more people are pulling up, a lot nicer trucks, so we're gonna take a walk around and you guys will get to see what's going on. It's super loud in here. I doubt you can hear anything I'm saying, but we're inside eating right now. It's like 120 degrees outside. My girlfriend's making fun of me. It's my first time recording inside a restaurant. But we're getting some drinks, getting some food, and then we're going back outside and looking at trucks. Since you want to make fun of me so much, catch you on a little bit. my truck behind me. I'm really close to the camera. It's really freaking loud out here. Everyone's blaring music. Hopefully y'all liked a little bit of montage that went on. I'm not gonna record for long. I don't want to get copyrighted, and y'all probably can't hear me very well. But if anything new comes up, y'all see it on here, of course. But as of right now, it's pretty boring because there's no one new coming in. Hopefully you guys can see me pretty well. Back at the house, I'm editing the video actually, and just realized I didn't make an outro. I kind of just left after the ambulances and fire truck left. Ace's Cafe meet was pretty awesome. Really did turn out. I think they said there was 125 trucks. They're really close to my face. So I think there was about 125 trucks. Einstein Lighting did a giveaway, and Ace's Cafe did a giveaway, and both of them I thought were pretty fair. There was a couple like SEMA style builds that showed up late, but they weren't entered in the giveaway because they were late. A lot of other meets would have just automatically made them win just because they're like SEMA style trucks, and I really like that they didn't do that. So I will most likely be back. I don't know. I wasn't a fan of the traffic that was around that area. The parking lot itself in Ace's Cafe is like wonderful for a meet, but the surrounding area, like traffic and things like that, are terrible. Oh my gosh, it took me so long to get in there and so long to get out of there, and I don't know if it's worth that. But hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, go down, drop a like. If you did not like the video, go down in the comments and tell me what you'd rather see. Thank y'all for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.